work with us, not to to use our resources and go leave us behind with poverty. So we want the government to invest fully on that. We want the government to embrace content creation generally because it pays. It's actually a good career.
Matogoretio ni Tom Kiminta, uria ni munene wa Ma Creative Network Forum, ni monete ati aini aige aria mashaja muraga ageni ni akuma kauntiini cia nanja. Kiminta ni augite ni kwagereire mitaratara iria eguthingatithia thirikari gukuria taranda ya mbeu njithi kauntiini iyo.
Hapa Narok tunahisi ya kwamba sisi kama creatives tumetupwa mbali kidogo, na tungeomba serikali yetu ya nyumbani iweze kutuhusisha katika mambo yanayohusisha creatives, kama tuna import creatives kutoka counties zingine kuja kufanya performance hapa nyumbani. Tungependa creatives wetu hapa nyumbani wawe ndio wako mstari wa mbele.
Na taranda nyingi na ukiarita na kuri thirikari imateithie niguo makagunika na taranda ciao.
We have skaters, we have artists, we have dancers, we have models, we have content creators, those who are doing in YouTube and also TikTok. We have directors, we also have film producers. So it's a very big umbrella that consists of several content creators from Narok County.
Kiama giki kiratongoretio ni Damaris Ogama uria ni munene wa mbeu njithi guothe bururini.
Biggest issue and emerging issue for the creatives in Narok County is the demand that the county government, the national government should start localizing the use of talents within these counties. The youth are complaining that we are not embracing their talents. And very seriously, we've also had the demand for a labor policy for the creatives. This is not only unique for Narok County. This is also being seen for other counties where they are demanding for the recognition of their craft and they are demanding for proper remuneration for their craft.
Girifotera Muthingi TV Geto Mase wa Shira.